In this video, we'll learn how to calculate percentage increases and decreases using decimal multipliers. You'll need the calculator for this lesson. Right, here is an example. The price of an umbrella is decreased by 20% in a sale. Its original price is £30. What is the sale price? Now you might already know how to do this by finding 20% of 30 and then taking it away. However, decimal multipliers are a much more efficient method that allows us to find the answer using only one calculation. Okay, so let's see the answer. Now to work out the final answer, you have to do £30 multiplied by 0.8, and that gets £24 as the answer when entered into a calculator. That is the sale price. Okay, all well and good, but why is this, you might be asking? Now the reason is because the original price of £30 is 100%. Now decreasing by 20%, you have 100%, take away 20%, and that leaves you with 80%. So this means that the sale price is 80% of the original price. And 0.8 is the multiplier to find 80% of something, because 0.8 is 80% as a decimal. Okay, now it is your turn. Here is another example. A coat costs £200. It is reduced by 30% in a sale. Calculate the sale price. Follow the method from the last question shown here on the right hand side. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, here is the answer. So what you have to do is enter 200 times 0.7 into your calculator, and that will get you an answer of £140. And this is because the sale price is 70% of the original price, since 100% minus 30% is 70%, and 0.7 is 70% as a decimal. Okay, let's move on. We can also use multipliers to efficiently calculate percentage increases. Okay, so here is an example. The price of a printer is increased by 25%. The original price of the printer was £40. What is the new price? Pause the video if you would like to have a go. As a hint, if you increase 100% by 25%, you get 125%. Okay, here is the answer. So enter 40 times 1.25 into your calculator to get an answer of £50. Again, let's see why this is. And the reason is because the original price is 100%, that's our £40. Adding 25%, which is our 25% increase, we get 125%. This means the new price is 125% of the original price, and 1.25 is equal to 125% as a decimal. And that's because we divide the percentage by 100 to get the decimal. Okay, finally, now it's your turn. Here is another example. It's slightly harder. Josh earns £9.20 per hour. His boss decides to give him a 5% pay rise. How much does he earn after the pay rise? Follow the method shown on the right hand side from the question before. Pause the video and have a go. As a hint, what is 100% plus 5%? Okay, here is the answer. Enter £9.20 times 1.05 into your calculator to get £9.66. And the reason why we use 1.05 as a multiplier is because 100% plus 5% is 105%, and 105% is 1.05 as a decimal. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you got those correct. You might also like to view our reverse percentages video, which builds on this lesson by finding the original amount after a percentage change. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have any suggestions for future videos, subscribe so you get notified when the next video is out, and feel free to share with your friends if you think it would be helpful.